How do you enable dark mode for Instagram on Chrome, guys? I'm going to show you two ways to do it. The first way is to click here on your Instagram profile, click on these three bars, and here you'll find the option to change the appearance. You can click it. When you click, you'll see the option to enable dark mode. You click it and Instagram will switch to dark mode, okay? That's the first option. I'm going to turn it off here because I'm going to show you the second option. If you want to force not just Instagram but any page to be dark, go to Google, type in web store, search for it, click on the first site that appears, and here you'll search for this extension called Dark Reader. The extension will show up here, you click on it, and here we're going to install it. It will make not just Instagram dark but all the sites you use, okay? You click to use it, click to add the extension. The extension has been added. You come to this page here, you don't need to pay anything, okay? Now you click here in the upper corner to manage your extensions. If you look, it's right here. You click here to pin it. There you go. It's now pinned up here at the top. If you click on it, I'm going to click on it now. Notice that there are some settings here, okay? In this case, there's light mode and dark mode here. You can set it to dark mode and then you'll refresh the page. So I'm going to refresh the page here. After refreshing the page, guys, as you can see, Instagram will now be in dark mode, okay? That's it. I hope I was able to help. If I helped you, don't forget, help me out too. Subscribe to the channel.